Aashwasan's focus today is prevention. What I, as Aashwasan, want to do for the world, for people as of now, is because I want to see that in my living life. That what, as an adult, I see as a health condition, our kids don't see it. They don't live with it. That's the only thing we can leave behind for them. That while you give vaccinations for chicken pox, there's a mutated form of chicken pox now. So, there is no end. And the only way to do is do our bit. And the only way to do our bit is just do what you know. And what we know, we will do. And if we all join hands together, I'm sure we'll change the whole situation completely. There are amazing people here who are equipped to bring infrastructure for the elders. There are amazing people here who can bring medical systems in place for the elders. There are amazing people here who can bring emotional support here. What I'm trying to say is we all have to put together our very bit into pieces together and make it holistic, is what I'm trying to say. We all can't take each other's place. And all of us are important together. So I hope and I continue to, make Aashwasan be a journey of hope for everybody, because I'm learning. And every day it's an experience of hope and true inspiration to see that a lot of health conditions are getting reversed